Today, we bring you a very simple fun project. We will make pom-poms using yarn. Fold a square card into half. Cut out a semicircle. Then, cut out another semicircle, a smaller one, closer to the center. This will be our template. We will now wrap yarn around this template. Hold the end of the yarn close to the template, and wrap yarn around the template, as neatly as you can. We will make a few layers of yarn. If you want your pom-pom to look very full and fluffy, create many layers. For a simpler pom-pom, just a few layers will do. Once you have created plenty of layers, use sharp scissors to cut alongside the outer semicircle. Work carefully, keeping the threads at the center of the template. Very carefully, remove the template. Now all we need to do is tie the small pieces of yarn together. It would be great if someone else can help you now, holding the threads together while you tie a long piece of yarn around the center. Secure the pom-pom by tying a double knot. The knot needs to be very tight, otherwise the short pieces of yarn might fall out. If any of the pieces of yarn are too long, you can trim them using sharp scissors. You can experiment with different types of yarn when making pom-poms. Pom-poms will add an element of fun into any party. You could make multicolored pom-poms and tie them into a garland. Or, you could hang some individual pom-poms, let's say in different shades of blue, from door frames, from trees, or from tall centerpieces.